We're ending the week with a lot of companies that pay good dividends. So this is a little bit different than what I normally do on the earnings videos, but I noticed that these stocks are all paying real nice juicy dividends that a lot of you dividend investors will want to check out. Plus, some are in hot industries like energy, and so I wanted to check in to see what was going on with the earnings charts for those. So let's check out what are the good paying dividend earnings stocks reporting earnings this week. Let's dive right in. First one is ExxonMobil. This is one of the energy companies. I kind of wanted to see where do we stand, what does the chart look like, and yeah, the track record for the earnings beats and misses isn't so great here. It has missed 3 out of the last 4 quarters, but the analysts have been all over the place with the earnings on a lot of the energy companies, and now that crude is coming back, they may not get it right again, but we'll see. These shares obviously are off those lows, so can this earnings report give it another boost? That's what everybody's going to be watching. And then we're going to switch to its main competitor, Chevron, ticker CVX here. It has a better track record. It has beat 4 out of the last 5 times, so almost complete switch of Exxon's track record. And it too is off those recent lows, those early 2018 lows on crude moving higher. Now, whether or not it can propel itself again, just like Exxon, higher off of this earnings report, we'll see. But these are the 2 big oil companies everybody's going to be watching. Then we're switching over to the drug side. So AbbVie, it has a great track record, only just that one miss in 2014, so you have to go way back to get that. Shares are off the highs here, and it's making me wonder, because I've looked at this stock, whether or not there might be a buying opportunity here. So I'm waiting to see what they report on this earnings report and what the outlook is before making any moves. But this is a nice little pullback here for some investors who thought they had missed this run. Then we're going to get another drug stock. Now, Merck, I brought this one in. It pays always that good dividend yield, yielding about 3%. But it, too, only has the one miss last 2014. So the same quarter it missed as AbbVie missed. But other than the dividend, you haven't really gotten much here. It's been back and forth, unless you got in at some of these lows, like those early 2016 lows, where then, yeah, you saw some nice gains, but hasn't really had any kind of breakout of any kind of meaning here. So the dividend is where it's at, but we're waiting to see if maybe it can break out of this channel here and get above that $66, $67 level. Then we're going to switch over to a small cap most of you probably have never heard of. So we have these 4 big mega caps everybody knows. Then we have BG Staffing. BGSF is the ticker. I brought it even though it's a small cap because I like the staffing side, and it does pay this big dividend, 5.1%, which has been safe over the last, many quarters actually, has easily been paying it. So had a big beat last quarter. They mainly do staffing a lot on the kind of the blue-collar staffing side, which I like a lot. So this is one of the kind of quiet staffing companies, if you're looking around for one of those in this tight labor market, that you might want to keep an eye on, and you get the dividend. So shares breaking out, dividend, tight labor market. I really want to see what these guys are going to say this quarter and what the outlook might be. So these are a mixture of interesting companies to end the week here. And as I said, they all pay nice dividend yields. You got the 2 big oil companies also paying over 3% yields, as is AbbVie. So if you're looking for dividend yields and a pretty good track record with a lot of these companies, then these are some of the ones you want to be watching. As always, I'm going to bring you all the earnings charts this entire earnings season. Yes, you don't want to miss a single episode. So be sure to check out all of our earnings videos and other earnings articles on Zacks.com. We bring them to you every week during earnings season. So get all your information there. We also have an earnings calendar on our site you can use to see who's reporting when. But be sure to check out all of the videos. We're on Zacks.com, as I said, on YouTube, and we'll be tweeting them out and putting them on our Facebook page. So subscribe somewhere to get everything. And I'll be back again next week with a whole bunch more earnings videos, because we haven't even gotten to the busiest time of the earnings season yet. That's still to come. But these are some hot ones, and you don't want to miss a single episode.